more than 1 year already, sir, he's been in hiding as a fugitive, no? But the efforts are still ongoing. We are aware of his whereabouts. It's just, alam naman ho natin na hindi talaga yan papayag na magpahuli ng buhay. Kaya mahirap din na ilagay natin yung ating mga law enforcement agencies and law enforcement agents in a precarious or dangerous spot, no? Kay Bantag po. As any fugitive would do, hindi lang siya nagtatago sa isang lugar. And yung mga lugar na to are remote areas, far-flung areas, where meron po talaga siyang mga supporters. No? So we hope na we execute itong warrant of arrest peacefully. We are open, again, no, to any voluntary surrender. And alam naman ho ni Ginoong Bantag na kung mag-surrender talaga siya, it will mean certain concessions on the part of the judge, no? Mitigating circumstances is what I mean. Magkakaroon ng mitigating circumstances kung mag-voluntary surrender si Ginoong Bantag.